Hey, I'm Ryan. I'm gonna teach you to do a dance what I made. So first, you're gonna go like nene. You can go like nene, but I go nene. So it's first like nene, and then whip or whip. Sometimes I do like whip, but I usually do like whip. So it's first down nene, then whip, then you drop. Ready? Practice it. First a nene, then whip, a drop. Stay down and then you tip. Like a tip in. Let's practice it. First a nene, then whip, drop, then tip. And then you're going to play mellow rock. Mellow rock. It's like you're sneezing and putting your head away. It's like mellow rock like that. Mellow rock like that. And after that, this is after you do mellow rock. After you do mellow rock like that, mellow rock like that, you can do an ending position like an ending position like you don't have to like two. If you want to do two endings, you can do two. But I always like first ending. I drop it out and middle rock like that, and I middle rock like that, and like bye bye. Subscribe and vote.